Alright, this is just going to be a quick little lesson. My words are failing me today. Just a quick one. I don't know what it's called. We call it the Indiana Jones theme. Alright. So, let's just change that a little bit there. Alright, so picking is throughout. So actually, let's change that back so you can see the picking hand. Picking is the whole, every string is picked on this one, right? So we'll start it slow. Starts on the low D. 2, 3, 4. And then 3 on your middle. Back to your low. 1, 2, 3. On your middle A, open 1, 2, 3 on your 3 on your high, and then that part is 1, 2 on your middle, 0, 1, 2 on your high. So let's do that again. See, I can call out notes, but calling out the notes in the string is kind of hard. So I'll call out the notes, but just watch which string I'm on. 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. Open 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Open 1, 2. That's probably more confusing than anything else. Let's do it one more time. We'll just do it really slow. Okay, so that's the first line. Second line. So we'll just do it nice and slow again. Oops. Start again. Do it again. All together. That's it. Like I said, just a quick little lesson for that. Indiana Jones. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. It's the Indiana Jones theme. Anyways, like I said, quick little lesson. Practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys next time.